what's up? What's going on? Today I'm gonna show you how to optimize your Valorant for FPS. Optimizing is a process that takes various factors into considerations, whether it's for Valorant or any other game. It's important to note that what works for one game or PC may not necessarily work for another. However, this optimization will work for every Valorant player, encompassing basic points to provide the best performance quality while keeping settings at their lowest. In this video, I'll divide the content into three sections. The first section focus on discussions, low settings and quality performance. So let's get started. The first setting, just click on the browser explorer and then go into the C drive, then users, and then the user that you have created, then put here the vertical slash app data, hit enter, and then go into the local, then search here for Valorant, go into the Valorant, save, config. Now here you will get three folders. These are the common folders, but this one is your account. Just open it. Now go into the Windows, then game user settings, and that's it. Scroll down. At the bottom you will see here the scalability group. Resolution quality should be on 75%. And then the others are 0, 0, shadow quality 0, post processing quality 0, effects quality 0, foliage and shading quality should be 0, and then click on save. Now one more thing you need to do here, just right click on it, go into the properties and read only, hit apply. Okay, so your game won't change it automatically once again. Now one more thing you need to do here, just go again into the file explorer, go into the C drive, Riot Games, Valorant, live, and go right click on your Valorant game properties. Now in the capability modes, disable full screen optimization. That will hugely impact on your FPS and remove the stuttering. Now change settings for all users and set here again disable full screen optimization and change high DPI scaling. Check this option, override high DPI scaling behavior, scaling performed by application. Hit OK, apply, OK, close it. Now again go into the shooter games, then binary Win64-bit, and find here the Valorant Win64 shipping. Properties, capability mode, disable full screen optimization, but unfortunately you will not see here the disable full screen optimization because of few points. But anyways, now if it's available, just check this option and then go into the change settings for all users, disable full screen optimization, change high DPI settings. Again check this option and select here for application, hit OK, apply, OK, OK, and that's it. Now click on the Windows icon, search here for background apps, hit enter, open, and by default it's run on, just turn it off. One more thing you need to do, go into the general and uncheck all these options. Once again click on the Windows icon, type here the run command and hit enter. Now here you need to open three folders. First one temp, again Windows plus R key, open run dialog box, percentage temp percentage, hit enter, and the last prefetch. Now delete all cache from your PC so it will make a better performance while playing the game. Once you have done this, now one more thing you can do here, search for graphics settings, then open it. Once you open this, check this option, reduce latency and improve performance. You will need to restart your PC to have your changes take effect, so definitely. Now click on the browse settings and add your Valorant over here. One more thing, this binary from shooter games, binary and Win64, and from live add Valorant. Once you add these three options, just click one by one, go into the options, set high performance and save it. Also go here for the game mode settings and make sure to turn this on and close it. Now for further, let's move on this section 2. Moving on to the second section, it's cover game optimization. You can optimize the game without actually opening it, throttling it to your specific specs. It's worth nothing that tweaking certain settings to low might lead to stuttering or lag, as your PC may struggle with proper rendering. Therefore, we will discuss the best method for optimal performance. Now in case if you are using Nvidia, it's more perfect. You need to download the GeForce, because GeForce will optimize the game according to your PC specs. So make sure to update your drivers it's important and it's the first priority. And then you need to find your game in the home tab, go into the detail, and here you can see the optimal and the current one. You can play on optimal without any lag, but if you go for the best performance, definitely it will reduce your rendering time and give you the best and will improve your best reaction time. So it's important, just click on these settings, improve toward the performance, hit apply, and that's it. This is the final setting, and then you can launch your game. Now these are the settings. If you are using AMD, definitely AMD comes with their own optimizer. You can download that, or you can use the Razer Cortex. That is the best optimizer, highly recommended. If you can afford, just go ahead, download that and optimize your game with that. Now let's move on the third option. We will dive into GPU optimization. Recently a user reached out to me on Facebook, mentioned that they had a 1660 Super and were only getting 6 to 8 FPS after copying someone else's settings. So they even visited multiple shops seeking a fix, only to be told that their GPU was faulty. They were advised to trade it in with some additional money. Thankfully, the individual eventually reached out to me and I was able to help resolve the issue. But anyways, you can copy these settings for your PC as well. Just right click on your desktop and open the NVIDIA control panel. Once you open the NVIDIA control panel, here's a few things. Before doing this, go into the adjustment desktop color settings and make sure increase it 70%, because you are already optimized your Valorant deeply, so it's better to increase the vibrance for better experience. Now go into the change resolution, make sure set here the maximum hertz available. If you are using 60, then you can go into the customize, create your own, accept. And now here you can create your resolution, and then the thing that is important here, you need to increase the hertz manually. Now in my case I have 240 hertz, but you can increase one by one just like this. Now just remove these to 41, test if it's working, then you can increase a bit more, then increase a bit more until you will get a black screen. Now suppose if I'm getting the black screen on 45, so you can set here to 244 and hit apply. I'm not going doing this further because 144 is enough and I have 240 hertz, that is probably enough for me. Now go here into the adjust image settings with preview. First option is first use my preference, emphasize and increase toward the performance and hit apply. After doing this, now what we are going to do here, just go into the manage 3D settings and then programs and add your game over here. Now in my case Valorant is already added, so let's optimize Valorant for further. Now just you need to copy these settings, and this is the best settings for me and of course for you. Now let me tell you, image scaling off, ambient occlusions not supported for this applications, anisotropic filtering application controlled, anti-aliasing effects AA off, anti-aliasing gamma corrections off, anti-aliasing mode application control, anti-aliasing setting use global settings run, anti-aliasing transparency use global setting off, background application map frame rates turn it off, Coda GPU use global settings, but you can set here for your GPU. Because sometimes people use their internal GPU as well, so in that case their internal GPU process instead of your external GPU. So that's why I'm highly recommending select here your internal GPU. Alright, so low latency mode you can set it on. Also you can go on ultra, but sometimes you will face a ghost effect, so it's better to turn it on. Max frame rates off, multi-frame rendering AAMF AA off, OpenGL GTI capability you can set it on. Prefer performance, OpenGL rendering GPU NVIDIA that you are using. Open power management, prefer maximum performance, prefer refresh rate, highest available texture filtering, anisotropic simple optimization or optimal on. Texture filtering, negative loud bias, allow texture filtering, quality, high performance, texture filtering, trillion optimizations on, threaded optimizations on, triple buffering off, and Vertical sync, use the 3D application settings. Vertical reality pre-rendering frame 1 OpenGL. Here you need to use the native for only Valorant, but for other games you can set it on automatic and then hit apply. These were the key points for today's that have a significant impact on your FPS. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Also feel free to share your thoughts in the comment sections. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, just take yourself. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.